The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Mason County in West Virginia. This includes the cities of Pomeroy, Point Pleasant, southwestern Athens County in southeast Ohio. This includes the city of Albany, Gallia County in southeast Ohio. This includes the cities of grande, gallipolis, Jackson County in southeast Ohio. This includes the cities of Wellston, Oak Hill, Jackson, northern Lawrence County in southeast Ohio. This includes the city of Lake Vesuvius, western Meigs County in southeast Ohio. This includes the city of Rutland, southern Vinton County in southeast Ohio. This includes the city of mcarthur until 6:45 p.m. BST. At 6:08 p.m. BST, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated the lines of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Wellston to 8 miles west of Oak Hill to 12 miles northwest of Lake Vesuvius, or along the line extending from Wellston to 8 miles west of Oak Hill to Wheelersburg and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Mason. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within this storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can't do so safely.